Hey guys, today we'll go through one of the most important aspect of strings. Those are string methods. Yeah? So, what are string methods? When I say Python strings, this is of str class. Yeah, and within str class there are various methods. Yes, which drives the string. Yeah. Now, since we know strings are immutable object, this string methods helps us to manipulate the strings. Yeah. So this methods return a copy of the original string, performing the respective processing on it. Yeah. So if you use that method, it will perform its respective processing and return a string again. Yeah. So, what is Python method? This Python method is a built-in method within string class. Now, when I'm talking about Python methods, there are various types of Python methods. Yes, uh, different types of Python methods. Make it bold. Let me have some indentation to it. Okay. Now the first one is a case conversion method. Yes, case conversion method. Methods. Okay. Now what is case conversion method? Now this particular category of built-in methods of Python str class deal with conversion of alphabet characters. So this there is conversion of alphabet characters in the string object. Yeah. So there are various type of conversion methods. We'll see it gradually uh, as we go through other methods as well. Next are alignment methods. So what does alignment method does? Alignment methods. Yes. What does it do? It controls the alignment of character within the string object. So it controls the alignment of characters within string object. Okay. Next is split and join methods. Yes. Split and join methods. What does it do? It it performs split or join operations on the string object. Okay. Next is Boolean string objects methods. Boolean string methods. What does it does? It simply returns true or false for a string object. Yes. And lastly, There are two more which are find and replace methods. These are used to search for a string or character, search or replace a string or character within string object. Yes, so it finds or replace a string. We'll see there are a lot of find and replace characters. Yeah, and lastly we have translation methods. Yes, I believe that they were not required. So what translation method of the string does? It's used to translate few functions or characters. So it is used to translate functions or characters. Yes. So there are, as we see, there are a lot of string methods which we can use towards playing or working with strings. Yeah. And the mostly used ones would be the case conversion, alignment, split and join, some of the Boolean string methods, and find and replace. Translation methods we hardly use, and within these methods as well, there are few functions which are not used, few functions are hardly used. So we'll see all the functions, methods, and the functions within them one by one. Yeah, from our next video onwards. Hope you like this video. Stay with us for the next videos so that we can take you through this individual methods in separate videos. Thank you so much.